Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u square. The s we have to use du because I want to cancel about the square root. So I need to put about u square in here. So I will put u square colon here and here. The s we change by this one. The square root of u square you got about u. Similar for this one. Now to u with u, you got about 2u square. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to the square root of 1 minus u. We put t square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. And you got about 1 minus u. Because we have u in here, so I will put negative u go to the left, t square will go to the right. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides. And you got about negative 2t dt. First, the derivative of t square, you got about 2t. The square root we change by t. U that is about this one. The u that is about this one. So t and t we cancel. Negative number 2, you got about negative number 4. I will put in here. Now, we need to expand this one. And you got about 1 minus 2t squared plus t to the power of 4. Now, we have the formula in here. The integration of t to the power of n dt, you got about t to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. And now, we got the final answer in here. The integration of number 1, you got about t. The integration of t squared, you got about 2t to the power of 3 over 3. The last one, that's about t to the power of 5 over 5. And we put about c. About t, that is about this one. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides. So you got about the square root of s equals to u. So that means we change u into the square root of s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.